Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top credit cards that pretty much every person should have. We're going to be breaking it down from pretty much beginner, intermediate, and then a more advanced credit card. I know that sounds crazy because a lot of people think of credit cards as just ways to pay, but realistically there is a lot of benefits behind credit cards, and we're going to be really just pointing out the pros and cons of each of these cards that I have and ones that I would highly recommend. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe, and let's jump into it. Roll the intro, let's go. Alright, so the very first credit card is this. This is the Amazon Prime card. And I know you might be saying, well, Carter, why would I want that card? Well, right off the get-go, for a free welcome bonus, this is awesome. So you don't have to spend any money. You get a $100 gift card for Amazon. And around holidays, it's around $150. So if you guys want to wait or just do it now, and you could have a free $100 gift card. So right off the get-go, you get an Amazon gift card of $100. Then anytime you guys buy something at Amazon or Whole Foods, you save 5% on cashback, which in my opinion is fantastic. Not to mention you save 2% on all gas stations, restaurants, and pharmacies. So it's just a no-brainer, and then you save 1% on anything else. This is by far probably the best credit card because there is no annual fee. Most of these other cards, all these other cards are gonna have annual fees, but this card is perfect for people who don't wanna have to worry about annual fees and all that other stuff. You know, people that think that you're wasting money if you have an annual fee card. This is gonna be one that is fantastic for you. Not to mention on select items that Amazon has, you guys will save 10% on cashback, which you cannot beat that. That's like 10% off, not even doing anything, just by having a single credit card. And obviously, with all these credit cards paid off in full every single month, never carry a balance, and you guys will maximize all the bonuses, but you won't have to pay the nasty interest rates. So the second credit card is this. This is the Capital One Venture card. In my opinion, this is a perfect kind of middle card, right? There is an annual fee of around $95, which I get that may seem expensive, but if you're somebody who travels quite often, you will really maximize the rewards of this card. Right off the get-go, you get a $100 credit or voucher for the TSA pre-check fee, which it bypasses all the, all the heavy scanning and all that stuff at the airport. So you kind of just save $100 and you get the credit, and if you travel a lot, you really maximize the rewards of this. Not to mention it has two massive bonuses, but for this you have to spend a little bit of the money, okay? So for this, if you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months, which is roughly $1,000 a month, you will get 50,000 points, which is equivalent to about $500 of travel, that's awesome. You know, $500 without lifting a finger, that's fantastic, okay? And if you guys spend $20,000 in 12 months, which is kind of a lot, I get that, but really hit that first one, you guys will get 100,000 miles or points, which is right around $1,000 in travel without lifting a finger. So honestly, at least check this one out. Alright, and the last card that we're really going to talk about is this one, the American Express Gold Card. By far, this is the best credit card that I've ever had. The reason why is because I automatically get my money back and then some without even really lifting a finger, okay? You get a $10 gift card for Uber Eats every single month, which that adds up itself $120, and then you get the Uber Pass, which adds up to $10 a month, so you guys don't have to pay any delivery fees and all that other stuff. You'll save hundreds of dollars a year if you guys do and use Uber Eats quite often. Not to mention the last and final thing, you get a $120 dining credit for select restaurants without lifting a finger. Okay, so well into that, you're well over the fee of $250. So right off the get-go, you guys get literally hundreds of dollars without lifting a finger. And not to mention, this card has massive sign-up bonuses, okay? if you guys spend $4,000 in the first 4 months or 3 months, you guys will get 75,000 points, which is right around $750 for travel. And then on top of that, on all of your spending, going out to eat at restaurants, you guys get 4 times cash back, which you can't beat that. Not to mention at groceries, it's 4 times cash back. And not to mention on flights, it's 3 times and then 1% on anything else, okay? So the only downside really to this card is that annual fee. The annual fee is $250, but you get your money back so easily with this credit card that it's almost like just a no-brainer. This is obviously more of an experience card because, yeah, if you spend thousands of dollars on this card, you're gonna literally get free travel every single year. But if you don't spend a lot, obviously it won't be worth it, but you'll still get all the gift cards, all the Uber Eats stuff and all of that, but it's still a fantastic credit card. But by far my favorite thing that the gold card has is it's called purchase protection. So if you guys buy something on this card, you pretty much have a 90-day insurance, which can be used for iPhones, it can be used for laptops, and it has about $1,000 warranty on pretty much any purchase for 90 days. You know, I've had multiple friends that have actually had their AirPods lost at the gym, and they used this credit card to get them back, and they just got a new pair, and they really did lose them. So the best way about this, always do the honor system, because this is a cool little perk that this credit card has. But guys, that is it. These are really the top credit cards that I would highly recommend. My camera literally just died, so I'm filming this on my phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Hope you guys like that too.